It's a sunny day here in the Philippines, and we are here. Still the best world-class amenity here in Metro Santa Rosa, Solen Residences. So for today, I want to highlight this project. Most especially, we are seeing or napapanood nyo sa ibang videos ko, medyo meron na din talagang premium kapag gusto mong mag-enter sa Metro Santa Rosa market, may it be a lot project, house and lot, and condominium. Most especially when you are watching our different projects here in Metro Santa Rosa, in New Valley, in Greenfield City, Jaire, ang taas na pala ng prices ng lot projects there. We wanna enter sana the market there, we wanna invest sana. But is it really 16 million pesos lang ang cheapest natin sa area? Well, based on my observation, yeah, most especially if we are getting an Ayala Land project or an Ayala Land investment, malalaki kasi ang lot cuts nila. And we are inside the New Valley project. But I really want to highlight that aside from New Valley, which is yun naman talaga yung pinakakilala dito sa area, we still have a very good option. A silent developer but can deliver a world-class amenity and upscale living but more of an affordable side, just like this one, Solen Residences. Basically, the price per square meter ng mga projects natin dito sa area, magkakaparehas lang naman sila. Bakit lang nagiging mura ang isang project? Number one, it's a psychological effect. So, pwede kong i-compare kasi lahat naman ng mga ino-offer ko dito, hindi ako nakakulong sa isang project lang. So, Solen Residences, they are offering right now a 150 square meter lot area, a very healthy lot size, lalo na sa mga retirees or yung mga investors na gustong magpatayo ng bahay for family building. But you know, meron pa rin tayo kasing cost for the house construction. So, may mga iba talagang clients na, Jaire, we really want to put yung magiging gastos namin sa house construction. So, ayaw namin bumili ng malaking lote or ayaw namin mag-spend ng too much sa pagbili ng lot. So, we have Solen Residences because Solen Residences, kasegment niya po ang Alveo and Ayala Land Premier Project ng Ayala. But, Solen is only offering a total of 7.8 million pesos for their 150 square meter lot cut versus an Alveo project, for example, offering a minimum of 16 million pesos at 275 to 280 square meter lot cut at minimum. So, mas malaki naman yung na-offer ni Ayala, kaya mas mahal siya. Pero if you don't need ng ganito kalaki na lote, you have Solen Residences na option, and the good thing with Solen Residences, legit itong nag-hold ka ng Santa Rosa address, and Solen Residences has the best accessibility, which we will address later. Aside from that, yung presyo ni Solen Residences, it's just like the same kung ano ang ino-offer ng Avida projects ngayon inside New Valley, which is nasa Calamba na yung address, just like Rosella, to name that project. But you are getting Solen naka-tier ni Alveo and Ayala Land Premier. So you are getting the best of both worlds. Kapresyo lang siya ni Avida, pero ang community mo is upscale community just like Alveo or Ayala Land Premier. So ngayon, si Solen Residences, nag-offer siya ng 18 months to pay at an average of about 40 to 45,000 pesos per month. And the good thing is, we will be paying without spot payment sa unahan. So, hindi ka magbabayad ng 10% spot, kapresyo niya lang yung Avida, but it's not an Avida community. To be honest, Avida is part of the low to mid segment of Ayala, kaya naman kapag nakikita mo mas maliliit yung lot cut ang ino-offer nila, and at the same time, mas marami po kayo sa buong community kasi nga, hindi naman siya upscale community, kaya i-utilize talaga ng developer kung ano at gaano karami yung pwede nilang mabenta sa isang community. So, hindi siya less density. Not like Solen Residences, low density siya, konti lang yung population, and 45% of the total community is dedicated for open spaces. Number 2 na na-observe ko, Jaire, sabi mo mas mura or kaparehas niya lang yung pricing ni Avida. Pero bakit sa mga presentations me before, si Avida can offer 15 to 20,000 pesos per month only nung time na vinidyo ko? It's because they are offering a longer down payment term of 36 to 48 months or 3 years or 4 years versus kay Solen na 1.5 year. Pero imagine, bakit ba kaya ni Solen Residences na mag 18 months to pay lang na down payment? Number one, again, hindi niya po ka-segment si Avida, pero kapag tinignan mo ang total contract price ng ino-offer ni Avida and ni Solen Residences, same lang po ang total contract price. Ka-segment niya po si Alveo and Ayala Land Premier, pero hindi siya nag-offer ng 10% spot payment and a very big lot cut na kakainin na yung budget mo for a minimum of 16 million pesos. But you are getting this kind of beautiful community. So, technically, strategy lang po. May mga business strategy yung mga different developers natin para mas maging attractive, no, in a way. So, if you are pro longer down payment term, you can go with Avida. But if you are pro with, uy, meron palang kapresyo si Avida, pero kasing ganda ng Alveo and Ayala Land Premier community, but more on an affordable side. And at the same time, dito kayo ma-excite. This is the best location right now. We're still at Solen Residences, ha? Hindi pa rin tayo nagbabago, but ito yung mga unique na mga open spaces and amenities ni Solen Residences that you feel like you are not in a subdivision. You are like in a resort, a nature resort in Batangas. So this is what Solen can offer. Now, let's go back to the accessibility. Why this is the top tier project in terms of accessibility and affordability. Imagine, Solen Residences, as you can see right now, they are holding an address of Santa Rosa, Laguna. So ito lang po yung project, ang lot project ngayon na holding Santa Rosa address. Yung mga nasa Nuvali po kasi, since Nuvali is a 2,000 plus hectare estate development, yung mga residential project niya nasa loob. So Kalamba na yung address in terms of zonal value, market value appreciation, and of course, saan ka nakatira sa Santa Rosa? Santa Rosa pa rin yung kilala. So, ito yung isa sa smart move, lalo na sa mga investor na magpapatulog lang ng pera or i-invest, no? I-diversify yung investment to real estate. Always follow the Santa Rosa Laguna brand. I'm not saying na it's bad, no, to invest in Nuvali na holding a Calamba address. Of course, Ayala is Ayala. But if you are looking for an affordability with a very much advantages, no, more than Nuvali, this is Solen. Ito po yung na-offer ni Solen Residences. So again, this is located in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna, just beside Eton City exit. So yung gate ngayon, yung existing gate na main gate na malapit po dito sa amenity, 2 minutes away lang po papunta sa South Luzon Expressway, connecting Skyway going to Naiya, going to Makati, and going to BGC. And this is a very good news dahil nag-o-offer sila ngayon ng fresh lot cuts with a minimum of 150 square meters, magkakaroon po ulit ng bagong gate doon. So yung gate na yon, mag-exit kayo malapit sa Laguna Bel Air, basically it's Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, going naman to Santa Rosa exit. South Luzon Expressway pa rin po ang labas nyo. So, meron kang 2 access. And ito yung pinakamahalaga sa isang subdivision. Very smart yung ginawa ni Solen Residences. Kasi, hindi lang siya basta-basta naglagay ng, okay, 2 gates para may 2 access yung community. It's a very smart move kasi it's not just about putting there 2 gates para lang magkaroon ng 2 entries and 2 exits yung mga nandito sa area or yung mga nakatira. Pero, ginawa nila na yung isang gate, okay, hindi naman natin maiiwasan, lalo na pag rush hour, hindi lang naman sa Pilipinas nangyayari, right? If uwian galing sa offices, if uwian or pasukan papuntang schools, pwedeng magkaroon ng bottleneck sa isang side. Kunwari, okay, Eton City exit, malapit lang sa SLEX, medyo may bottleneck or merong traffic, no? Medyo merong heavy traffic. Meron ka pa ring isang access. Going to the gate 2, lahat po pwedeng pumasok at labas kahit saang gates, pa-Santa Rosa exit going to SLEX. This is very unique. Ito lang po yung subdivision na merong ganun na either gumamit ka ng Gate 1 or Gate 2, papunta na siya sa South Luzon Expressway. Wala pa po akong nakikita in my 6 years of experience na nag-o-offer ng ganung kagandang accessibility. 2 minutes away from the exits, going to NAIA BGC Makati. Lagi niyo pong tandaan na merong long-term benefit if malapit ka sa lahat. This is what Solen can offer versus sa iba. Like yes, makakakuha ka ng very stretched down payment terms sa iba, pero 15 minutes away, 20 minutes away sila. Ang layo nila sa South Luzon Expressway exit. So imagine yung pang-araw-araw or everyday living nyo, yung consumption nyo ng gasoline, yung time, energy, and effort na ia-allot nyo everyday. And ito po yung sinosolusyonan ni Solen Residences. Number 2, in terms of the accessibility going to the hospital. Not just your usual hospital, but one of the major and top-tier hospitals here in the Philippines, the Medical City South Luzon, which is also located inside Greenfield City. So it's also 2 minutes away from Solen Residences, and we know how important it is, lalo na kapag mag-invest kayo for your retirement property here in the Philippines, na malapit ka sa major hospital, which is the Medical City South Luzon. So for you to be familiarized, is if you are coming from sa Paseo de Santa Rosa, and then sa the Medical City South Luzon, sa pinapakita namin, you will just go straight ahead dito sa Santa Rosa Business Park. Madadaanan mo si Trava, which is the deluxe project of Greenfield Development Corporation. Dire-diretsuhin mo lang yan and makikita mo na itong likuan ni Solen Residences. Ang maganda po kay Solen Residences, ito dinaanan din natin si Pramana Residential Park, which is one of the very first residential project ni Greenfield Development Corporation here in the area. Si Pramana Residential Park, kadikit niya yung road na naa-access ng public. But very smart yung ginawa nila kay Solen Residences. As we enter right now, medyo inatras nila yung main entrance ni Solen Residences para maiwasan po yung noise coming from the cars. So we already talked about the accessibility going to the South Luzon Expressway, going to North Luzon, Manila, Makati, BGC, and the hospital. Number 3, okay, let's talk about the accessibility going to the commercial spaces, grocery shops. Again, Solen Residences has it all because it's also very near Paseo de Santa Rosa, which is nandito yung mga alfresco dining natin. If you wanna shop, maraming outlets. At the same time, nandito din po ang grocery shop natin, just like Shopwise. And at the same time, even if Solen Residences is not located in Nuvali, mas malapit pa po siya versus sa mga residential project sa mga Nuvali. If you wanna go naman sa commercial area ni Nuvali, going to Solenad Mall, SM Neo Verde Premier, Qualimed Hospital also, and of course, the Landmark and SNR dahil bungad nga lang po itong Solen Residences. And hindi naman po ibig sabihin na kapag nakabili ka kay Greenfield City, you don't or hindi ka na pwedeng mag-access ng mga commercial development ng kanilang competitor just like Ayala Malls Nuvali because it's accessible by public. Ang nananalo is yung mga investors kasi nagpapagalingan po ng mga developments, ang mga big developers dito sa Pilipinas, tabi-tabi lang sila. So, naghahatakan ng market value appreciation yung mga properties na ininvest nyo. Dapat nga lang, very smart ka kung saan mo ipupwesto yung investment mo, kung saan ka bibili, kung nasan yung location nito, just like Solen Residences. We're here at the play area amenity here in Solen Residences. So let's go back to our discussion. So aside from the commercial area, very accessible to Paseo de Santa Rosa, Ayala Malls Nuvali, SM Neo Verde, which will become the next Mall of Asia complex in the future. Katabing-katabi lang po ni Greenfield Development or Greenfield City, si Eton City. So yung dinadaanan natin ngayon, nakikita nyo si Eton City Square, where Starbucks, Anytime Fitness, McDonald's, 7-Eleven, a lot of play schools and Pilates area, meron na po dyan, very active na tong commercial zone dito sa area. Napakalapit lang po nito sa Gate 1 ni Solen Residences. In just a minute, or minsan nga, wala pa pong 1 minute, nandito na kayo. Isa siya sa pinaka-accessible. So, wala na tayong problema sa hospital. Wala na tayong problema sa transportation access. No bottlenecks anymore because it's very smart na ilagay po ang Gate 1 and 2 sa 2 different South Luzon Expressway exits, which is Eton City exit and Santa Rosa exit. And number 3, we have the major hospital just 2 minutes away from us, which is the Medical City South Luzon. Of course, hindi mabubuo ito kung wala tayong accessibility to not just your usual schools, but the universities here in Laguna. And we are still here in Solen Residences. Baka po naiisip nyo no nasa resort na tayo. Ganito po talaga ang maintenance and how beautiful Solen Residences is, but on affordable side. So i-discuss natin kung ano yung pinakamalapit na school. From Solen Residences, yung nakikita nyo dinadaanan natin ngayon, Solen Residences will just be 2 to 3 minutes away from the 40-hectare University of Santo Tomas here in the area. Dahil kapag mag-go right ka from Eton City, which is Solen Residences, is very accessible din dito sa area na to, aalisin na po itong harang na ito. And kapag dinire-diretso nyo yan, a few meters away, nandyan na po ang University of Santo Tomas. And kapag hindi kayo kumanan, kapag papunta kayo ng Eton City SLEX exit, nandito rin po si University of the East. What a very good location. And not just that, Solen Residences is also very accessible 5 minutes away, going to Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna, which is just beside the exit of Eton City. Pumunta ka lang ng Kapuyaw City exit, so trivia, that's where I studied, no? Nandyan na po si Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna, which offers engineering, aviation, healthcare, business programs, to name a few. And it's just 10 minutes away to the 70-hectare De La Salle University Laguna campus. Nandito na po yung University Belt of the South. So Solen Residences can offer you these landmarks, these very good location na mag-a-up at hatak ng market value nyo in the future. Schools, transportation access, hospitals, commercial area, nandito na po lahat. Now, let us talk about the payment term of Solen Residences. I know meron na kayong mga idea na wow, ang ganda ng mga dinidiscuss mo, Jaire, pero totoo nga ba na very affordable itong community na ito? Dahil nga nag-offer sila ng 150 square meter lot cut, ngayon, tignan natin dito sa bagong phase, which is Solen 1D. 80% of Solen 1C is already sold out, napakabilis dahil nga naglabas sila ng maliliit na lot cut, and it's a very smart move. Kasi nga, sa mahal po ng pagpapagawa ng bahay ngayon at laging sinasabi ng mga clients ko, most especially my clients from the US, outside the Philippines, Australia, Europe, meron pa silang gagastusin for the house construction cost and they don't want to live on a bigger lot cut na. Kasi nga retirees na sila, ayaw na nila ng malaking maintenance and a lot of effort to maintain their property. And of course, yung mga magbibuild ng family, they don't want a bigger space dahil nagsisimula pa lang din sila, and at the same time, they have other needs to prioritize, just like yung schooling ng kids nila and the other basic needs. So let us talk about the small lot cuts that the new phase Solen 1D is offering. So right now, nandito tayo sa existing phase, which is technically the Solen 1A and Solen 1B of the Solen Residences. We are at their view corridor, or in layman's term, alley or eskinita, pero of course, an upscale alley. So marami po talagang open spaces dito, and kaya ako naglalakad-lakad at pinapakita ko sa inyo yung mga amenity and the existing community, kasi sa Solen 1D, since it is a pre-selling phase, wala pa po tayong makikita doon under land development. But this will also be the future of your new phase kapag nakakuha kayo doon. So as I have said earlier, we have 150 square meter minimum inner lot cut there. So for a 150 square meter, as you can see on the map right now, let's say we will gonna pick block 15 lot 18. the total contract price is 7.7 million only. And then, i-discuss ko na sa inyo para lahat kasama ng other charges, transfer of title expenses, miscellaneous fees, and other taxes, the total contract price is only at 8,095,669 and 89 centavos. So, for example, for the month of January, you can just pay a reservation fee of 50,000 pesos, and the following month, February, you will start your monthly amortization for 18 months at around 40,048 pesos and 75 centavos. So that's from February 2026, for example, to July 2027. So on the July, yung 6.9 million na maiiwan plus the 386,000 na other charges, so that's about 7.2 million of the total contract price, you can loan it in bank or pay it through cash. Kasi nga, low monthly down payment ka naman during the course of 18 months. So, mababa lang po yung 18 months to pay natin. That's just 10% of the total contract price allotment on the 18-month period. So, marami ka pang time mag-strategize. Ang maganda dito, na-lock in mo na yung presyo ng property. As we know, here in Metro Santa Rosa, halos every 2 months, nagma-market value appreciate yung property. But, you have the chance to lock in the price just by reserving it. Kahit hindi mo po bayaran ng buo, nakikita mo na habang nagbabayad ka ng low monthly down payment, nagma-market value appreciate na rin yung property mo. So we're here at one of the communities here in Solen Residences. So again, I discussed the 150 square meters. If you want naman a corner lot, meron din po tayo, no? Mga 177 square meters yon sa Solen 1D, and we still have existing lots po dito sa existing phase nila. But of course, at a higher price na. But I discussed po yung pinaka entry level natin para kung hindi ka naman naghahanap, no, ng malaki na lot cut, meron pong minimum at makakapagpatayo ka ng bahay. And the most important is, you will enjoy this upscale living at an affordable site. So let us discuss their corner lots. Usually, yung mga corner lots na ganito kaganda yung community, umaabot na ng about 22 to 25 million pesos. Corner lot pa lang yan. Pero naglabas si Solen Residences na kapag kasi corner lot, sobrang lalaki ng cut. Pero ito, 179 square meter lang. At imagine, it's only at 10.7 million pesos including the other charges and miscellaneous fees. So that's about 54,341 pesos per month for 18-month period. So imagine, no, makakakuha ka na ng corner lots na ganito kababa dito sa Solen Residences. And then yung 90% balance, which is about around 9.7 million, you can loan it through bank or pay it in cash. Very flexible payment term. Ito lang po ang nag-o-offer nito si Solen Residences. A very upscale community but very affordable. Paulit-ulit po ako kasi very underrated po talaga ito. Yung community na to. Hindi po lahat nag-o-offer ng ganito kamura, and for my 6 years here in real estate, most especially here in Metro Santa Rosa, marami pong lumabas na projects. Kahit yung mga hindi ka-tier ni Solen Residences, mas mahal pa. Pero Solen Residences still has the best amenity complex in the area. No doubt for that. Kitang-kita naman po natin, no, dito sa 1 hectare complex nila, designed by Leandro Locsin, who is also responsible for PICC and CCP complex. Wow, kahit very sunny here, ang ganda-ganda po ng hampas ng hangin kasi ang daming trees. So aside from the world-class amenity, ang ganda rin po ng mga, kumbaga, features ng Solen Residences. Ang lapad ng daan, not your usual daan, no, sa mga nag-o-offer na ibang community na ganito kamura like Solen Residences, and you have your own tree line. So parang walkway, pathway, kaya mas lumuwag pa bago pa sa property line ng community nyo. So si Solen Residences, since it's an upscale living, even if affordable yung ino-offer nila na lote, gusto nila mapangalagaan yung community. That is why kahit na matagal na itong community na ito at kahit maliliit yung lot cut, maganda pa rin ang market value appreciation sa area kasi marami silang rules, and kapag may rules tayo at sinusunod ng community, mas nagiging maganda siya in the future. Number one, just like the houses. As you can see in the area, halos magkakaparehas, right? Because we follow a certain model house na dapat ito po yung sindi natin, pero hindi naman dapat 100% ito dapat yung sundin. Katulad nito, nag-iiba-iba sila ng konting kulay, basta earth tone and still follows the modern tropical theme, and bawal po mag-gate. Parang sa mga western countries, but don't worry, it's very safe. It's RFID system po ang gate natin, and at the same time, pwede mag-basement. Hanggang maximum of 2 floors lang para maiwasan natin na uy, ang taas-taas na ng kapitbahay ko, wala nang masyadong ventilation ng hangin or airflow sa akin. And that's very important. At ito po yung isa sa magandang sign. Kapag pwede mag-basement at pinapayagan kayo mag-basement ng isang community, ibig sabihin, you are safe at malayo ka sa fault line. So, isa po ito sa mga advantages ni Solen Residences. So, upon turnover, kapag magbibuild ka ng house, bibili ka po ng blueprint nila worth around 150,000 pesos, which is makakatipid ka na sa cost at mura pa rin yun kaysa bumili ka sa contractor at architect mo at kumuha ka pa ng sariling designer mo. Pwedeng sundin mo na yung 100%, pwedeng i-tweak, basta nafa-follow yung certain model houses, most especially sa Solen 1D. At maganda kay Solen 1D, mas modern na po yung mga ifa-follow natin. May 2 options tayo. Itong mag-glass, we have 3 options right there. And kung ayaw nyo naman more on classic design, ito po siya. And at the same time, you have the complete freedom na sa interior layout. Pwede nyo pong i-tweak, pwede nyo hindi sundin yung blueprint kasi hindi naman po siya nakikita sa labas. But it's very, very important na may mga ganitong rules ang isang community. Hindi ka for the lack of a better term, hindi magiging itsurang chop suey yung community nyo. Kaya ang ganda-ganda po tignan, right? And semi-underground yung mga utilities and electrical wirings natin, kaya wala kayong masyadong nakikita na overhead wirings. I hope I gave you a somehow fresh perspective about Solen Residences and why it's very a competitive community here in Metro Santa Rosa if you are looking for a lot investment. So if you want to inquire, if you want to have this kind of community for your retirement, if you want to build your family with this kind of upscale living, just feel free to inquire through my local mobile number, Viber, iMessage, and WhatsApp account. That is +63927 185 1590. You may also directly email me on my business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com, or directly contact me through my personal Facebook account. That is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Do not forget to click like, subscribe on our YouTube channel, The Property Geek, and click follow for our Facebook page, The Property Geek as well, and our TikTok account, The Property Geek, and Instagram, The Property Geek PH. Maraming salamat po sa laging pagtutok, and I hope na appreciate niyo po yung mga ganito nating community offerings, because as New Valley, as Metro Santa Rosa, particularly Greenfield City, papunta na siya sa upscale community talaga, prime living, because you are really getting what you pay for. But I also want to highlight na hindi pa rin po masama at hindi pa rin po mahirap na mag-enter ng market here, because may mga ganitong affordable na communities when it comes to lot cut offerings dahil maliliit lang, but still upscale living just like Solen Residences. So I'm excited po na i-tour you around the area. I'm excited na makita yung mga inquiries nyo at makausap kayo via consultation call. Again, maraming salamat. I'm still contributing at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. Till our next video, still a Happy New Year here in the Philippines. I'm Jaire Mamaklay, your Property Geek.